Mike McGilvary with Mike McGilvary Roofing. Here is something most Florida homeowners do not realize. Just because a roof is 20 or even 25 years old does not automatically mean it needs to be replaced. In Florida, roof age alone does not determine replacement. What matters is the actual condition of the roofing system. Most tile roofs only need targeted repairs and rebuilds. Most times, high water flow areas can be repaired and rebuilt to bring the roof system as a whole back to a structurally sound state. And some roofs, like the one you are seeing here, have truly reached the end of their service life. When that happens, the correct solution is full replacement, done the right way. Mike McGilvary with Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts.